Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening the specific Google site you want to edit. This gives you immediate access to the editor. Once there, click the pencil icon or edit to enter design mode and choose the target page. Make sure you know whether you want the social link in the header, footer, or within a page section. Placement affects visibility and behavior. Now locate the Insert panel so you're ready for the next, actionable additions. Now insert the actual link element. Choose Insert Then button for a clear CTA or Embed for an icon or custom markup. Paste the full social media URL and type a concise label such as follow on X or Instagram. Once inserted, customize alignment, size, and color so it matches your layout, and make sure to enable Open in New tab if you want visitors to stay on your site. After styling, preview the page to confirm the link looks and behaves as intended. Finish by clicking Publish so your changes go live, then immediately test the link on the Publish site to confirm it opens the target profile. Make sure to check mobile responsiveness and add accessible alt text or area labels if you used images or icons. If the link fails, first verify the full URL is correct and not truncated, then republish. Clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window often reveals caching issues. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.